Now that we are in the Olympic season, I thought that I will give some examples of Olympics. Uh, Now another example. Now this is a story of a pole vaulter who won the gold medal. She's from Russia, Yelena, and she won the gold medal in 2004. 2004 Athens Olympics is when she won the gold medal. Now there's an interesting story behind this. If you have seen the video of this, in case anyone has seen the video, you will understand the story what I'm trying to hint at. This person actually in the fight, in fact, she had broken the Olympic record when she entered the final. So everyone was saying that, you know what, she's going to win the gold medal. Without doubt, she's going to win the gold medal. But you know what? In the finals, she had two failed attempts at 4.75 meters. She could reach up to 4.75 meters, but at 4.75 meters, she had got a failed attempt. She had a failed attempt at 4.75. Had she failed at 4.75 for the third time, she would have been out of competition. She would have been she would have been straight away disqualified from competition. And there's a video of this available on YouTube. Do watch this video. So what does she do? You know what? She challenges herself. She says that I'm going to raise the bar. I'm going to go ahead and raise the bar. And she did that. She actually raises the bar. And you know what? She made it 4.80. She requested the organizers to change the bar height from 4.75 to 4.80. And as they say, okay, as they say, the rest is history. She actually cleared it and she won the gold medal. So what are these two inspirational stories telling us? These two inspirational stories, what they're telling us is that many times we ourselves don't know our true potential. We ourselves are not aware that what is our true potential. We get impacted or we get influenced by our surrounding ecosystem, that we actually miss to locate that this could be my potential or this is my hidden potential which is there. And yes, I'm going to talk about how do we identify it. Obviously, in both the examples, one in the previous example, there was a crisis like situation. The person had lost his hand and that's why he could figure out his hidden potential in his left hand. Here in this case, if you look at the storyline, in the spur of a moment, she decided to raise the bar. So there was some intuition, definitely. There was definitely some intuition which had come. There was definitely some kind of a, I would say, inner voice, as we say, right? There is that inner voice which came to her mind that as it is, I have nothing to lose, right? If I don't qualify, that's okay. I mean, I've already had two failed attempts at 4.75. Why don't I raise the bar? Sometimes it is better to look at a problem from a different perspective rather than looking from the same eyes. It is always better to look at a problem statement from a different perspective altogether. And that is what she did. Exactly, that is what she did. She decided to look at a problem from a totally different perspective. And she said, okay, let me challenge myself. Let me open the floodgates and let me challenge myself. Who knows? I mean, this could be an opportunity which is waiting to be encashed, and that is what actually happened. That is exactly what actually happened, wherein she could actually clear this height, right? I mean, she could go ahead and clear this height from 4.75 to 4.80. And not only that, after this jump, she actually made a new record. So after this jump, she actually made a new record of 4.9, if I'm not mistaken. So what we're trying to tell here is it is always better to challenge yourself rather than someone else coming and challenging yourself. It is always better to you take that initiative, you take that bite and challenge yourself, right? So I hope the speed of delivery and the articulation is okay. Just doing a quick check before we move ahead. Just wanted to do a quick check with everyone. You can just confirm yes or no in the chat window. I mean, I hope the speed is okay with everyone. Okay, great, thanks Jack. Thanks, Frank. Okay, great. All right. Now there is a poll question, by the way. There is a poll question which I have given. I would request all of you to answer that poll question. Let me know if you are able to access the poll question. So there's a poll question which I have kept it there. Are you all able to access the poll question?